AT500W handheld desktop dual-purpose laser welding machine. Suitable for welding of stainless steel, galvanized sheet, and other metal sign. Use YAG pulse laser welding, fine spot, beautiful effect. Equipped with full power 武汉中鼓. The welding speed is fast and firm. Customizable electricity, pulse width, frequency, simple operation. Marble working surface, the overall working area of 1000 x 2000 mm. High welding efficiency, large depth of molten pool, solid welding, small heat impact, small deformation, beautiful surface. Large sign, high side sign can be welded by holding welding gun, small welding torch, flexible use. "5 meters fiber transmission, suitable for a variety of welding requirements.